In this video, I'll be sharing with you how easy it is to start copy trading for free from Jamaica. You don't have to pay thousands of dollars to get this done. It's very easy, guys, right? The broker we're going to be using is eToro. This is one of the most reputable broker that I am aware of, and I know this broker about 9 years now, right? So to get started, just hit the link in the description of this video. It will take you to eToro website. Once you're on the site, just select Join eToro. Complete your email address, a username, a password, and accept the terms of agreement. You'll be also required to provide your address and possibly provide proof of address. Now I had my account open a good while now, so what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to log in and show you what to expect. So once you complete your profile and log in, it will look just like this. Alright? Now once your account is open, right, the next thing you need to do is deposit money to your account. So you're just going to select deposit funds. The minimum amount that you can add is $200, and then you provide your debit or credit card number and then it deposit. Now there are other options such as Skrill, bank transfer and Neteller, but of course debit and credit card are the easiest and fastest. Now if you have say a Scotia card and it declines, then you just try NCB. Sometimes some of the cards doesn't work on these platforms, right? So let me close that. Now to start copy trading is very easy. You just look for this option here that says copy trader, scroll down and then select your match. So these are the filter criteria where you can search for the type of returns that you want. Let's say medium. You want somebody who has some reputation, so let's say 2 year plus, and you can choose the asset types, right? So you can choose whether it be stocks, crypto, indices. So here I'm just going to select ETFs. So I'm unchecking everything, then selecting ETF, right? I'm just going to hit search now by hitting the green arrow. And these are some traders and their returns over the past 5 years, right? So you want to pick someone with a good track record. Now I'm going to switch over to my virtual account because my live account is not funded, right? So I'm going to switch to virtual portfolio. So just select the trader that you want to copy and then select copy. Here you'd specify how much you want to invest, right? So depending on your account size, you could say $1,000. And this is your trade management. So if the investments drop below $50, you can choose to close it. You can increase it to whatever value you want. So let's say percent, can increase it to say 70%, right? Now let's say invest. And as you can see, you're now copying trader moves with $1,000, right? Now let's go back to my portfolio. Now whenever this trader opens a trade, I'll see it in my portfolio. So I don't have to do anything going forward to make money, right? So if they win, they win. If they lose, they lose. And the same will apply for me. And that's basically it. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.